Hey, how it taste?
Oh, alright.
It's alright. Mm-hmm.
It's good though.
Yeah. It's Big Hurdle, so y'all like, share, comment, subscribe. What it do, everybody? Yeah, it's your boy Big Hurt back in the kitchen once again with another banging recipe. And today, it's another Big Hurt original, another My Way recipe. And we're gonna be throwing down, here's the ingredients you're gonna need. We're gonna need some ground beef. We're only using maybe like 2 pounds of that. We got some thin spaghetti. Excuse me, y'all. We got some ragu Alfredo sauce, some sliced jalapeno peppers, an onion, and some sharp cheddar cheese. I'm finna get ready to boil these spaghetti and be right back and show y'all the next steps. Yeah. Alright, y'all, I got some spaghettis back there rolling. And over here in this pot, I got my ground meat browning up. Got my onions chopped up right here. So we drop them on in there.
Purchase your tracks today.
Gonna get them stirred in, get this ground beef all browned up, and be back in a sec. Yeah. Now let's get started putting this thing together, y'all.
Purchase your tracks
We
today.
got our spaghetti boiled, our ground meat browned up. Ground meat over there straining. We're going back in the pot though with the spaghettis.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Alright. If you don't want to go. Then we're gonna throw down the ragu
Purchase your tracks today.
Alfredo.
Purchase
Go
your
for
tracks
a
today.
whole jar on top of that spaghetti. Now make sure the spaghetti good and moist. Let's mix that in real good.
Purchase your tracks today. Purchase your tracks today.
Make sure all the spaghetti is good and moist. I can already tell we're gonna have to use that second jar Alfredo. Yeah. Get it mixed up with. Well, all spaghetti is wet. I'm gonna turn the fire down on a low heat. Get our ground beef. Ground beef back in there. We need to put a little season on it, but we ain't seasoned nothing yet. See what we're gonna go with today. You know we're gonna hit it with that black pepper. What else going with? Think we have to hit it really. Slap your mama. Just a little bit of that. We're gonna go with that for right now, cause the Alfredo sauce be have a little salt in it too. Try to get all this mixed up. Let's add this other jar so it'll be easy to stir. don't be loose enough. Got them jars over there. You can put a little water in both of them, switch it around, and get the rest of that. Get it mixed up good. Alright. Now we're gonna add jalapenos. Not too many for okay, how too much heat. Good enough. A little bit of the juice for the good flavor. Mix it up good. We're gonna add a little cheese. Well, no, I'm gonna wait till the end. We get all this heated through. Then at the end, I'm gonna add the cheese. And we'll be back in a minute, y'all. Yeah. I add you a good handful of sharp cheddar cheese and stir it in good. Yeah. Now add you one more good handful of that sharp cheddar cheese, cause everything got heated through, and stir that in good. And we almost done. There you go, y'all. My finished product. My way recipe. That might have to be a new segment, cause I do it my way, you heard me? And so y'all like, share, comment, subscribe, and be heard on the checkout. Time to plate up. Yeah. So how it taste to you?
It's good.
Is it really?
Yep.
All right. Oh yeah, shout to China.
Oh yeah, make sure y'all go subscribe to my channel. My channel name Rcb.Jordan. I post videos on there, so y'all make sure y'all go ahead and subscribe.
Yeah.